never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of...
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we have another mod from the Smok companies. It's a regular mod, dual 18650 battery. They're working with. I have fluid white, black and white. IP67 on it as well. This one is all the pod mods they've been using. Scar is all the same brand Scar, but it's not P18. It's just Scar 18. P is the pod, that's why it's just Scar 18, and they are all the same style. Also like a waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. It's like this. They are using new TVV9 tank on this one, sub-ohm tank. Here is V9 mesh coil, powerful tank, balance charging, and 230 watts. Mods, if we can check on inside the box. Here is one of mods, and then there is a 0.15 coil in it, meshed coil, and then one extra glass, and a user manual, and a 6.5 ml tank, and a 0.15 meshed as well, another extra one, and then one USB cable in it. Here is the one warranty card inside, and here is the battery safety, how to use the batteries, and here is the user manual. If you want, you can look at this one. Here is, you can see all the size and everything. 54 by 30.6 by 88 millimeters, 183.5 gram. Here 230 watts. Here is the new tank TVV9 TFTV9 tank, stainless steel, 6.5 ml is big tank. Here is the mod himself. We will come on this one. Here is the tank. Yeah, I believe it is 25 millimeters tank. I didn't use it yet. Here is the V9 meshed, 0.15 ohm. How much best is 90 watts, 50 to 90 watts they say on it, and one extra glass. They are all two of them same glass, 6.5 ml. I think in the AU you can get 2 ml because of the AU rules. Here is the spare coil, yeah, 40 to 90 watts, 0.15 ohm, also meshed. And here is the bag of O-ring, and one cable, normal USB charging. This is not type C. We can take this away. Here is the tank. Yeah, here is the 810 drip tip. There is a nice top fill, this one. Here you can see lift and open it. Yeah, you can pull it up and then turn it sides. You see, it's nice, like a child proof. And then you can press it and then turn it on again. Here is the Smok TVV9. Like I said, there's a new tank. Here is a big airflow. There's a one stopper on it, and here is a 510 pin. Here is, we can put some liquid in it while I'm showing mods, and let's get ready. Today I'm gonna use Yankee dessert, strawberry cheesecake. We let it wait this one with while. And here is the mod himself. It's nice looking mod. It's rubber, like a waterproof and shockproof. This feeling on the hand is really nice. Here you can see Scar 18. There is some aluminium foil here, like a kind of resin style, but I don't believe. But it's same material they are using. This Scar P3 and P5 is nice one. Here is our charging ports. like I say, USB charging. And here is power button, up and down. Here is a 510 connector. I believe it is 26 or 27. It will be not overhang on this one. Here is a battery door, nice and clicky. We can put some battery in it. Upside down. Because of the waterproof, is it a bit, yeah. Because of rubber here, it's difficult to close it, but it's okay. 5 clicks on, like all the device. SCAR 18, you can see it here. And then here is the tank. Here is the menu, power, 65 watts, arc coil, volts, proof, and our battery life. Here is the batteries balancing on this one. Like one battery is like a less than 50 watts, and the other one is 75 watts, and it's balancing each other. And it's really nice. I like it that. With the 3 click, you can go on the menu. Here is it: nickel, titanium, SS, and power. That's it. They don't have any other options on the menu. And then you can press like this, and then you can go on the watt, and then TCR, and then proof counter. And then when you hold it on, then it go on it, and then you can change your Fahrenheit or Celsius. Here you can go up to 315 to 600, I believe. Yeah, we can change the power modes. We don't have nothing like that. Yeah, not much talk about it. Here's power button and right plus. When I press same time, you can see the color changing. Actually, it's quite similar to all the menus as a pot modes they've been putting on the market. When you press the power button and then left, and then here's normal pop counter, and then, but because I don't have a tank on it now, right now, yeah, not much talk about it. 3 times click, and then you go on the menu. Yep, nice looking machine. We can put a tank on it and then see how it is look like. Yeah, this look nice. This is 25 millimeters. Like I said, 26 or 27, it will be no overhang on this one. Yeah, let's vape and then we talk over it more. Yeah, that was SCAR 18 from Smok companies. I wait like a little while for the coil get wet. This look like this. It's really nice looking modern tank. I'm using on the 40 watts. Airflow is full open. Let's vape. Yeah, 40 watts is a bit low because they recommended between 40 and 90 watt. I'm putting on the 50 watt now. Airflow is still open. Yeah, this is better. I'm gonna put halfway closed airflow. Yeah, flavor is awesome. It is really nice. I'm getting really nice flavor of this one. Yeah, I really like it. First time I'm using this tank. Normally I didn't try it yet because I just wanted to try it on the video. I didn't try it yet, but it is really nice flavor I'm getting from it. Yeah, I'm gonna put on the 60 watts, halfway open. Yeah, it's really nice. Really nice flavor I'm getting from it, and then you see the all cloud and everything. It's a little bit loudy. It's a little bit louder, full open. It's a little bit louder. I like it halfway open. This one is much better. Yeah, this is really nice flavor I'm getting from it. Yeah, tank is perfect for me. And we come on the mod. It is look like a little bit geek vapes against, and it is look like it, but I think it is more comfortable than against, because against a little bit for me is a little bit big when you put on your pocket and everything. This is the same like a waterproof, shockproof and everything. And I think again it can fit 30 millimeters, but this one cannot 26 or 27 millimeters fit on it. But much better on the hands. I'm feeling on it and much better. And I've been using this almost 2 weeks now, and I don't have any problem at all. Really nice. One thing I like it, this place, is because of waterproof and a shockproof here. Normally they take all the dust and everything on this one. I hated that one, like a bit against, but this one I don't have any problem. Just on aluminium side up here, you see it up here, it's just all the fingerprint and everything on there, and then you just have to clean sometimes, but its rest is so nice. And the top of it is also here, is like a little bit mirror wise and something like that. I really like this one. Yeah, it's really nice and handy on the hand. Almost you don't feel it. It's not that heavy at all, and especially with the two 18650 modes, I don't think it is heavy at all, and it is really nice on the hands, and the vaping is really good. You see, tank is perfect flavor. I'm so surprised about this, how much flavor I'm getting on this tank. I really like it. It's one of my favorite tank right now. I really like it. Let's vape one more time. Yeah, not much to talk about it actually. It's a nice machine. I really like it. I recommend it all of you. Thank you very much for watching me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.